I definitely recommend it for definitely my age group for fitness. That's the main purpose I bought it, is fitness. And that's what I want to build on. I used to, years ago, swim a K a day. I want to get back to that. It's a great plunge pool, and especially working around the property and what have you, you know, with the heat at the moment, it's an all-round pool. That's what I like about it. With Spa World, we found they were so informative. They sent us specifications of what we had to do prior to having it delivered, and so we were fortunate enough that we had that time to put down the concrete pad, get the outsourced power sorted. That was brilliant because it gave us plenty of time rather than rushing. So the whole process and how they talked us through everything was just brilliant. The gentlemen involved, the truck drivers, the spa installer, I mean, it was just brilliant. No hassle, absolutely no hassle whatsoever. We couldn't fault them. We've had a big in-ground pool before, and it wasn't a heated pool, so I found I didn't use it as much. This you can use all the time. We've got it sitting at 28 at the moment. Once you get into it, it's perfect, absolutely perfect. If you're a weak person like I am at the moment, I find those jets are quite strong. I certainly can't use the top ones yet. And my daughter can. She was a competitive swimmer, so she has that strength, but I certainly don't. She thought it was brilliant, actually. Yeah, no, she really enjoyed it. Bruce mainly uses it as a plunge pool, but he is actually starting to realise, you know, adjust the knobs like I'm doing. But we're slowly both working out what suits us, you know, to build on. And that's the thing, you just build on it. We've only been using it a week, and I notice the difference already. And there's a lot of other things you can do with it. If you turn all the jets on and put some force into it, you can actually brace your feet on the back steps and just use upper body breaststroke as an exercise form. I find that's really, really good.
Quite a bit of force there, eh?
That's cool.
Yeah.
It's really cool. You can do so much in it. I just think it's amazing.